Hey guys, in this video I'm going to discuss Python operators. I'm going to go over what they are, examples of operators, the different types of operators, and the most common operator. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So let's start off with the question, what is a Python operator? Well, an operator is a symbol that performs a certain action or task. For example, have two numbers, 6 and 3, and there is a plus symbol between the two numbers. Well, the plus symbol is an example of a Python operator. This operator will perform the action or task of adding the two numbers together to get the number 9. Let's look at another example. I have another set of two numbers, 10 and 6, but instead of the plus operator, there is an asterisk. This operator means to perform a multiplication operation. Thus, the two numbers will be multiplied together to equal 60. Now that we know what an operator is, let me show you the different types of operators there are. In Python, there are 6 main categories of operators: assignment, arithmetic, comparison, membership, and logical operators. Of course, there are more, such as the bitwise operator and identify operators. But for the simplicity of this video series, I'm not going to include those ones. But those are the main and most important categories of operators in Python. In the next following videos, I'm going to go over each category of operators and show how to use and program them in Python. So that wraps up this lesson. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like it, and I'll see you in my next video.